what's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm fresh off of work. Today we're going to be taking a little cruise down to Belfab Race Cars. That's the fabrication shop where the Taxy's at. My boy Mike Proc just sent me some pictures and some updates on it. The front tubular front end on the car is all done and welded, and can't wait to see that thing in person. Just seen it in pictures so far, and it looks pretty sick, so can't wait to see that. We're going to be loading up a bunch of material that showed up in the mail today, like my turbo piping, like my stainless piping and my aluminum piping for hot side and cold side. And we got a bunch of other little miscellaneous stuff that he needs for the fabricating that we're going to be dropping off. And then he also told me he's ready for my engine, so we're going to be loading up the engine in the back of the truck. That way we could get it dropped in today and we could start working on the motor plates. And he's going to get that all squared up and get everything welded. That way we could move along to the turbo kit. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this motor loaded up and head to the shop. Let's go. Ready to go in. So I stopped by for some more updates and more content. Mike's getting down. He already got the turbo fitted where it's going to be sitting on the new Maven turbo mount. And he's also starting to work on this driver side header. We're starting to get some progress on the hot side. A sad day today. I will no longer have a Cobra Jet emblem on my grill due to the new Turbski. It's too big. It won't work, it won't fit, so it gots to go. My man Mike over here getting down. Don't be camera shy.
Literally getting down.
He's like literally getting down. Look at them welds. Clean.
You ready?
Can't wait for that. Just got off of work, stopped by to Belfab to check out some more updates. Cold side and hot side is looking good. Got the quick release clamp here. And this thing's looking good. So Mike got the bumper on, got it everything pretty much fitted. That's where the radiator is going to be sitting at now. Nicely tucked, looks pretty cool. Starting to work on the exhaust. This is not how it's going to look, just mock up right now. But it's coming out nice. Every day you got some nice updates. Got the blow off valve right here. Alright. Look at that bullhorn, bro. Sick. Turbo kit all wrapped up. Alright, Taxi's ready to be loaded up. I want to thank my boy Mike Proc right here. Belfab Race Cars. Good shit. You can find him on Instagram. Hit him up for all your fabrication needs. Thanks to David too. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. So the Taxi's finally home. There's gonna be some good content while we get this thing all buttoned up and all together. There is a list of things that need to be done still, but for now, it's gonna stay in the backyard. So it's finally time to start working on it. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys need any fabrication and you're in the Las Vegas area, hit up my boy Mike Proc at Belfab Race Cars. Definitely knock this turbo kit out the park. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Peace.